Kublai vi baro ki viewers saisen pada kini ke video ini pe biang mentai ya ki kubor Laikam tis ngabai kini ke video tinga kerpat biang saisi sin bat saisi wan nang ta jumpi baro ki viewers ki kun samla ki bedai na pok state Meghalaya nata pidang dei ki bat mai ha ka video bat ke channel ke jonga sngobha wan klet ban ye share lang ya ki video ban ya like bat khamta me ban subscribe nagamta bapinyo ya ki updates ki baman ka sing hakbede bat ki khubor Laikam lani bat ki we pedi ki jimtip hakbede bat ka education te ngayo I ba ki babun ki paralog ki khun sama ki shu view ki klem subscribe te na ta daw ngawi phi subha banle yakata kadi jinggur pat barit jonga nakabenta kum shibanta banyarap lang yanga nakabenta pinyo yaki updates mo te ale matang ne pe no ya kini ka khubor Laikam hakba nagleng jong ka office jong deputy commissioner eastern west Hill district mairang kala khod application nagbenta ka post jong ki guest teacher lane TGT but ki hostel wardens male and female ha ka school eklavia model residential school lane EMRS Maulentriang but kini ka post kanlong ha ka sanction jong ka ad hoc lani contractual basis nakumta ka academic session jong o arpunduyo arpunyo mo te ki eligible candidates ki ba nongsainhima jong ka India ki Indian citizen ki laban submit ya ki application forms ki jong pi through offline mode lani via email haswa ka arpotrik benai agos arajar arpundriu mo kani kadi email lani offline umde online mo tipti ban sutu ya kata di hakbede ban ki eligibility salary pilaban page pilaban sngap ya gini details barok hoy ka organization hangni kadi ka EMRS school lani kata ka Eklavia Model Residential School Maulentriang Blaplain ba ya ki vacancies lang baga office jong Deputy Commissioner Eastern West Hill District Mairang mo ka pusnim kadi TGT bat hostel warden habaro liang kata males and female nakamta ki TGT ki don supposedly ki subjects mo nata hostel warden pade one male and one female. Nangta remuneration lani salary mo di nakabanta ka salary DGT kandi hadu life hajar shibnai ba nakabanta ki hostel warden pade kandi hadu life hajar tangka shibnai tika application mode kumbangala ong nado bastang kandi ka offline mau kandi ka offline lani email ti last date kandi hadu ka arpotrik agos arjar apunriu but ka walk in interview kandi arpsauterik agos mo arpsauterik agos kandi ka walk interview nagtang ki post TGT but arpsanterik agos kandi nakapta ka post hostel warden okay nangta purely ad hoc up to 31st March 2027 but kani ka sanction kandi hadu ulai poiterik March arajar arpunyo lani kilaru ban join ya kata okay katpum ka sanction jong kati ka post tina gupta ki train graduate teacher hangne supposedly namta ka post English mathematics khasi science music librarian physical education teacher lani bat ka Hindi social science bat ka art mo nagta hostel warden pade namta koi ko post shrang bat koi ko post kanthe strictly be namta shrang bat kanthe mo namta male kumut shrang namta kanthe kumut female kumut kanthe okay nagta general candidates minimum 21 years and maximum kade 60 years okay arpoi do post nang idang la tikan mau bana gamenta ka snem mo kade arpoi hadu ndripoi arpoi hadu ndripo snem But retired teacher, ki retired teacher ru kila ban apply la da ki kwa namar kam don re ka age limit am ta ki no hikai. Tang ba ka school can apply up to 65 years. Ada pi don suppose and post nem ru kila ban apply. La da pi biang ka qualification. Okay. So educational qualification for TGT English, Mathematics, Kasi, Science, Social Science, Hindi, 4 years integrated degree course of Regional College of Education of NCRT. Okay. And mandatory B.Ed. B.Ed pide ban pandap baik. Namta ki specific subject pade tum ka English kasi Hindi studied concern language kini kide ban shimbe ka major ka darab shim English pide ban late major English pakam ta tet. Namta mathematics bachelor degree in maths. Okay. Namta science studied biology kum ka botany, zoology and chemistry. Namta social science study in history, geography, economics or political science. Okay. The music kumto tatet bachelor degree in music, arts bachelor in fine arts, physical education bachelor degree in physical education and BPEd, and librarian bachelor degree in librarian. Hostel warden male and female as per Gradendum date 12 August 2026, 4 years integrated degree course. Haniru kipan ni ki 4 years integrated degree course. Regional College of Education and CRT nang lani bachelor degree from any recognized university or institute. Experience is similar capability. Pili bandon experience hakabe day bat ki hostel warden. Mo la pili ki male lani female. Nangta ka work in interview pandai hapo ka office jong Deputy Commissioner Eastern West Kassel District Mairang. Nangta ka date but time hangti kanai 24 and 25th of 2026. Nangta how to apply. Download official application. Download yak application ko jong pin ba kani ka link ka bangan bu apo ka comment pins ke jonga sa download nangta sa pandam ang to bakhoy nangta sa attach lang bat ki documents ki jong pi paro mo nani pila aru ban shu email kani ka emails kemudian emrsmairang@gmail.com. Okay, emrsmairang@gmail.com. Kani ru kadi ka email kemudian pila ban send ya ki documents ki jong pi. Nangta ada pi kwa ban page ya ki jingpan bana pila ban download ya ka advertisement nangta application form pila ban download. Okay, but pila ban page company agwe dei bat kini ka khobor. Di tangkap tu ya dei bat kini ka khobor jingpun bana agwe dei bat khobor Laikam ha po ka EMRS school Maulentria. Iskem ba pila yo sibun ki jing mentoy we dei bat kini. Tilada pila pendep ya ka qualification late ban apply nangta tiki post par ba. Takatai kulai sibun kulai sia jang.